Welcome to Schweizerdeutsch Tutor, Schweizerdeutsch für Anfänger. Today's topic is typical Swiss farewells. As in our last video about greetings, we again distinguish between formal farewells we use with strangers, especially elderly, and in professional environments, and informal farewells we use with our friends and family. Let's start with the formal farewells. The most popular form is adieu. It comes from the French adieu and exists in many different forms in Swiss German, such as adieu, ade, and others. Another popular form is auf Wiederschauen. Wieder means again, and schauen comes from the outdated High German schauen, to watch. This is an example of one of the many words that are considered outdated in High German, but are still used in Swiss German. The last typical formal farewells are time-dependent. Einen schönen Abend, and before going to bed, gute Nacht. For informal farewells, we typically use ciao. This is an example of the Italian influence on Swiss German, even if it's less significant than the French influence. Otherwise, the High German tschüss is often used. The following forms are a little bit more advanced. Merk sieht sich, en schöne, bis später. These are the most common farewells in Swiss German. Let's summarize. To say goodbye to strangers, we say adieu or auf Wiederschauen. Depending on the time of day, we as well could use einen schönen Abend, gute Nacht. To say goodbye to friends and family, we use ciao, tschüss, merk sieht sich, en schöne, bis später. These are the most common Swiss farewells. Thanks a lot for your attention. Have you heard another form that we have missed? Let us know in the comments. All comments have the chance to win 30 minutes of personalized tutoring on Schweizerdeutsch-tutor.com. The winners will be announced at the end of each month. Next week, we are going to talk about salutation questions and some typical answers. Merci vielmal, macht's gut und bis zum nächsten Mal mit Schweizerdeutsch Tutor.